Listen, when hunger bites you, you have to know how to rustle up the easiest thing. And today, if you don't know how to cook tin mackerel, it's the last day of that because I'm showing you just how it is done. Watch me and you can't go wrong. Plus, mackerel is loaded with proteins and omega with proteins and omega 3 and them things good for your body. All you do, you cut up the vegetable them like what you see me doing right here. Cut them up, prepare everything beforehand. Nobody run back and forth to the pot. Just do everything like how the French people them do. Cut up everything beforehand. Like a carrot, everything just throw it in there. So I add like oil now, and then after I add the oil to the pot, after it hot, swirl it round like a bit, and you throw in all of your vegetables. If you want to put them in little, it's up to you. But me, just a save time. Throw it in, add like a garlic powder. I have like a coriander powder. I have like a paprika. Some Scotch is a must. You go and cook that round, man. Then of course you go in last with the garlic. After that, chop up fine. And at the end, just want to put like a pimento powder. Ground the pimento. Then we come with the star of the show now. I love when you have these clip-on things, you see? But you can just pop it off. You don't have no cut-on things, so just adding it, everything there. You see how that mackerel nice and chunky. That's why I love this brand, That's my favorite. So I go and cut it up. You see how the little bone in the middle? I take that out, I just mash that up in there. Because those bones, loaded with calcium, which is also good for you. So I just break it up a little bit and smash it out. And go on do my thing, man. Break it up so everything just, together. So here we are. Have to add wash out the can with little water. Add a little salt, touch it up with little black pepper. And my secret ingredient, man, little apple cider vinegar. Cut the rawness and little balsamic. Come just extra that way there. So that going at the end and then you turn it round. The ketchup, yes, okay. Don't come for me. Ketchup in the tomato ketchup, it's fine. And there we go. Cover that up.